In this video, I'll be showing you the ways that you can use our foam toe tubes to pad and protect your toes from problems such as corns and blisters. The foam is overlapped, giving them a double layer on one side and a single layer on the other. When positioned correctly, this can help give additional cushioning to an area. The tubes come in 25 cm lengths and are easily cut to your needs. They come in a variety of sizes ranging from 15mm diameter for small toes up to a 33mm diameter for larger big toes. You can also get closed top toe caps. These are suitable for the big toes and are great for those who are active to prevent knocking in the end of shoes. Although they may seem bulky, the foam compresses well to fit into most shoe types. You can create your own simple toe protector by cutting a suitable length of tube and then taking a small section from the thinner side of the tube allows it to slip over the toe with ease. In this example, protecting the big toenail from knocking in the shoes. It's also simple to make a bunion cover to protect the medial side of the foot from rubbing in footwear. Cut a larger length of foam and cut up the seam area, leaving about the length of your big toe at the top. Round off the corners and apply the tube over the big toe, creating a fan-shaped cover over the bunion area. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos using our other materials.